Are you tired of dealing with a wall of belts that are aging, growing old, never having exactly what you need? POWERTWIST is the solution to this sort of a problem. Hi, I'm Dan Verrill. I'm a regional manager for Fenner Drives, and we do make POWERTWIST. It's a longer lasting permanent replacement to regular rubber V-belts. The reason it's longer lasting is the material it's made out of. It's made out of polyurethane material, not rubber. Polyurethane is a material that doesn't dry out, it doesn't get brittle, it doesn't crack. It handles hostile environments. We can run in oil, grease, submerged in water. Most chemicals and solvents don't affect the belt at all. These are the reasons we last longer. Urethane has a much better operating temperature range than rubber. Rubber starts to fail at around minus 20 degrees to plus 130, 135. POWERTWIST, because of the urethane material, can operate extreme temperature ranges of minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit up to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. So when you get into hot HVAC style applications on the roof where you have heat buildup in the summer, it doesn't affect our belt life. And this dries out and cracks rubber belts very fast. The other cost savings benefit to POWERTWIST is the ease of installation. POWERTWIST comes apart simply by turning the belt inside out and twisting the tab. When you twist that tab, you end up with an open-ended belt that you can make to any length that you need. So your inventory is a 25-foot box of A or a 25-foot box of B. The A covers your 4L fractionals, and the B will cover your 5L fractional belt sizes. So now we have two boxes of belt replacing most of the inventory that you have hanging on your wall right now. Huge reduction in dollars, yet you're still guaranteed to have the belt you need when you need it. Now we've reduced your downtime to nearly zero. There are no tools required. It's a drop-in replacement fit, no changes in the drive, the same pulleys, the same drive configurations, the same engineering information is all the same on POWERTWIST as it is with a rubber belt. So we've reduced your inventory, reduced the dollars tied up, extended the life of your belt. You're stocking 25-foot, 100-foot boxes of POWERTWIST without shelf life concerns, huge cost savings. One other advantage to POWERTWIST that many people don't consider, but it's a huge advantage, is the fact that because we're a link design, we're not a solid rubber band style belt like your rubber belt. Any vibration that gets passed into the belt from unbalanced fans, from a machine tool operation, for woodworking applications, that sort of thing, when vibration comes into our belt, because each link is basically a hinge point, we don't pass that vibration completely to the next link. And by the time you get to the motor and the base, the tool, over 50% of that vibration is eliminated from the drive. And this can show up in a noise reduction and a better performance of the equipment that you're running. An extended life on your bearings and on the tools as well. It's a huge advantage for you folks. POWERTWIST is used in almost every industry that exists out there. We sell POWERTWIST into the HVAC marketplace, glass, material handling, the marine industry, woodworking, sawmills, mining, and agriculture. If you need more information on POWERTWIST on Fenner Drives, you can find it on our website, www.fennerdrives.com. And we've got videos on YouTube that will show you the product, show you installation, show you market and application information. And that's at www.youtube.com/Fenner Drives.